Did you know? There is a night in Ramadan that is better than 1,000 months? A single night that can change your destiny forever. This is the night of power, Laylatul Qadr. Laylatul Qadr is the night when the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad. Allah himself describes this night in Surah Al-Qadr. The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. Imagine. Worship on this night is equal to 83 years of ibadah. On this night, countless angels, including Jibreel, as, descend from the heavens to spread peace and mercy. The doors of Jannah are wide open, and Allah's forgiveness is waiting for those who seek it. Scholars say that Laylatul Qadr has special signs. The night is peaceful, with a feeling of deep tranquility. The sky appears clear, without harsh winds or storms. The sun rises softly the next morning, without strong rays. But remember, these signs are only visible to those whom Allah wills. This is your chance. On Laylatul Qadr, do these 5 best acts of worship: pray tahajjud, connect with Allah in the quiet of the night, recite Quran, as it was revealed on this blessed night. Make dua istighfar, ask for anything, and seek forgiveness. Give charity, every good deed is multiplied. Read this powerful dua.
Allahumma, innaka, afuwwun, tuhibbul, afwa, anni.
O Allah, you are the most forgiving, and you love forgiveness. So forgive me, don't let this night pass without worship. Share this video to remind others. May Allah grant you the blessings of Laylatul Qadr. Ameen. Hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Islamic videos. Jazakallah khair for watching. See you soon inshallah in the next video. Allah Hafiz.